Hey guys, Shane from Procheck. Today I've got a Holden Captiva diesel in today. Engine lights on with a trouble code P0101, which is a mass airflow sensor. We pulled the mass airflow sensor out and it's a little bit dirty, so we've cleaned it, gone for another drive, and it's reading as it should be. But we've monitored everything in the data list and it actually isn't making the boost it should be making. So either we've got a faulty turbo or we have an induction leak somewhere. So we'll go out the front of the engine bay and we'll hook up a new machine we've got and see if we can come up with any answers. Alright, so here we have our Fandangle new machine. It's our smoke tester. This will actually check for any leaks. Jarvis is trying to be funny. Hi Jarvis. Hi. Check for any leaks in the intake system, and you can use it for vacuum leaks, engine leaks, rocket cover gasket leaks, if for oil leaks, exhaust leaks, all those things, and you can try and find any leaks. So just pressurise the system with some smoke. So we'll run this in intake. So I just plugged it into the intake in here. So you can see it's just pulled the intake off the air pipe. We'll run that in and we'll power it up and see what it does. Alright, so we're powered up. We press standard mode, we go air start, and this will just pump the air into the system, and then we'll press the smoke start, and we'll let it smoke up and get some pressure in the system. That'll just, like I said, just push compressed air and smoke into the system. And it looks like we have something happening here already. We have smoke coming out from down here. I don't know if your camera's going to pick it up. Just got the light down the right spot for this. You can actually see the smoke coming out of this intercooler hose, which is all damaged and oil soaked. So we don't have a faulty airflow sensor, we have a boost leak after the airflow sensor, giving it an incorrect reading. So yeah, a quick little test with our smoke tester. It's found an intake leak, it's found the problem, so we don't need to replace that airflow sensor, we just need to replace this intercooler hose. That'll give the customer some power back, obviously some fuel consumption back, and no more engine lights on the dash. So if you have that trouble code P0101, just check the airflow meter, make sure it is clean, make sure it's working. They can fail, but sometimes it is just an intake hose or an intercooler hose after the airflow meter. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-776-243. Make sure you like and subscribe. So I've just pulled the cone out, and I'll just show you how much smoke is actually in the system here. You can see it actually pressurises the system. I'll just get Josh to turn the machine on for me, and you'll see what it does. Just hit the standard mode first, air start. There we go. So it does push some air out. We can actually adjust that as well if Josh wants to press the control valve for me. We can actually slow that right down to barely anything, and then obviously crank it right up to full. Depends on obviously what sort of size hose you have. You like smoke, Josh?
No, I don't.
Don't like the smoke?